Okay, in this question, we want to find what 1/2 is of 14. So the 14 would be the total number of dots or objects. The 2 is how many groups you can make. And so that's the first thing I would do is I'd make 2 groups. So here's a group, here's another group. And what I have to do is split the 14 up evenly between these 2 groups. So it makes sense to go, say, one there and one there, one there, one there. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there I've got my 14 dots split into 2 groups. Now, if they say I have 1/2 of 14, that means this is how many groups I'm going to shade, or they can say half of it are apple, if you want to say. So if I want to know how many are apple, I have to shade one of those 2 groups. So here I'll shade this one. So these ones here are the apple group. So to know how many are apple, then I just count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 of the 14 that are apple. Let's try another one. So say I want to do 1/4 of 20. Okay, so the 20 stands for the total number of objects. The 4 tells me how many groups. So let's make 4 groups. So here's one group, here's another group, There's my 4 groups. Now I have to split this 20 dots evenly amongst all of those groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There, so I've split them evenly amongst each one of the groups. And now they're saying they want 1/4 of 20. So one of those 4 is going to be shaded. That one right there. So I'm going to count up how many are shaded in that box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1/4 of 20 is equal to 5. Let's do one more. Let's do 1/3. So let's do 1/3 of 15. Okay, 15 total things and 3 groups. So here's my groups, 1, 2, 3. And I need to split up those 15 evenly amongst the 3 groups. So let's just give 1 each until I come up to 15. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's nice that they split up evenly like that. Instead of 1/3, let's do 2/3 this time instead of a 1. So the 2 is how many I would shade, and I need to count how many dots are in those 2 things that I've shaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2/3 of 15 will be equal to 10.